Phrase 1. Wouldn't dream of doing something. Meaning. Would not even consider doing something. Example. I'm sure that John wouldn't dream of complaining to the manager. I wouldn't dream of taking your money. Phrase 2. Go after someone. Meaning. To investigate someone or something for possible criminal prosecution. Example. The police detectives went after the whole gang. The prosecutor went after Max first, knowing that Max was the gang leader. Phrase 3. Figure someone or something out. Meaning. To begin to comprehend someone or something. To come to understand someone or something better. Example. I just can't figure you out. I can't figure out quiet people readily. Phrase 4. Eat to live, not live to eat. Meaning. Do not be gluttonous. Eating should not be your favorite activity, but something you do to maintain your health. Example. Eat to live, not live to eat, was the doctor's advice to Jean, who was dangerously overweight. Phrase 5. Face the music. Meaning. To receive punishment. To accept the unpleasant results of one's actions. Example. After failing a math test, Tom had to go home and face the music. Mary broke a dining room window and had to face the music when her father got home. Phrase 6. On one's own time. Meaning. Not while one is at work. Example. The boss made me write the report on my own time. That's not fair. Please make your personal telephone calls on your own time. Phrase 7. Disinclined to do something. Meaning. Unwilling to do something. Example. I am disinclined to allow you to leave class early. They were disinclined to allow us to enter the country. Phrase 8. Call a meeting. Meaning. To ask that people assemble for a meeting. To request that a meeting be held. Example. The mayor called a meeting to discuss the problem. I'll be calling a meeting of the library board to discuss the new building project. Phrase 9. Crush something up. Meaning. To reduce the mass of something by crushing. Example. Crush up a clove of garlic and put it in the sauce. Crush this up and put it in the sauce. Phrase 10. Take fuel on. Meaning. To refuel. To be refueled. Example. We will land somewhere to take on fuel. We need to land at the next major airport to take fuel on.